Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, we're making one of my favorite comfort dishes, baked cream of chicken, made with cream of celery, peppers, onions, garlic, and a whole lot of love. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box, so sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. First, clean and pat dry your chicken. I have some chicken wings and drumsticks. Then season your chicken to your likings, but the seasonings I use will be down in the description box. Now we're going to sear our chicken in some avocado oil until brown on both sides for about 3 minutes. Remove your chicken and set aside. Now we're going to saute our veggies. I have some onions, shallots, garlic, red, green, orange, and yellow peppers. Now add your chicken to a baking dish and add your veggies on top. In a bowl, add your cream of celery, chicken broth, and chicken bouillon. Mix all together very well. Pour your mixture on top of your chicken and your veggies. See, I didn't use enough cream of celery, so I added one more can of cream of celery to cover all of my chicken. Now that's more like it. Now for the fun part, add in some butter on top and sprinkle a little bit black pepper on top as well. Cover with your foil and bake on 375 until the chicken is nice and tender. When done, uncover and put your chicken under the broil for a couple of minutes to get the chicken nice and brown, just like me. Okay family, the chicken is done. It's nice and hot and juicy and it's ready to eat. Pause for the plate. I paired this chicken with some homemade yellow rice, candied yams, and collard greens. The hubby was in love, okay? And you're gonna be in love too once you try this recipe. Until the next time family, be safe, be blessed, and as always, it's always a treat when a major's me. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.